Morning, morning. Market open. Ding, ding, ding. Morning, guys. Okay. So we're bullish. We're bearish. How are we gonna close today? Green or red? Okay. Okay. The Q 430. 430 is the level that the Q needs to break. So we can keep going higher. Morning, morning. If the Q breaks that level, I'm gonna play the upside on futures. If rejects, I play the rejection on futures. I like Snow is holding 216 as a board, which is what I want to see. Ooh, I left a play overnight. I completely forgot about it. And I'm up over 2K already on the day. Nice. Nice. Okay, let's see here the Q if it's gonna break this. So far, SPY looks like it's rejecting. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Play the reaction. Let's see. My stop loss is gonna be this wick. This, yeah, this high here. Oh, you guys can see it here also on Trading View. Morning, morning. Microsoft is strong. Pretty strong. Needs to break 407. Okay, I like that. I like that. Ooh. I'm gonna take a little profit here. I'm leaving one runner. Yes. No. If I'm trading just one account, I don't need a copy trader on TradingView. I completely forgot about it, to be honest. SPY looks like it wants to boom boom here. But the Q clearly rejecting this, I think 430 is all-time high. Yeah. It's under VWAP. Yep. Yes. That was perfect entry. Perfect. That was a good one. 429 could be a level that the Q could hold. If not, the next one is around 428. But I'm looking how the daily is looking on the Q here. We have 429. It was reject resistance yesterday, and I will say Friday too, and also these other days. So it could stop there. If not, the next one is 428. Yeah, 428. And if not, the next one is yesterday's low. It's looking pretty good. Most of the time, I don't take trades when the market open, but that 430 level, it was just too good to not take that short. It was just too easy. Morning, morning. SPY is fighting the VWAP. It's trying to hold. 428 is the next one. Morning. Okay, so see, it's trying to hold yesterday's support rejection here. It's trying to hold a support at that Friday's level 2, and SPY is holding the VWAP. Apple is holding VWAP too. So we could see a change of direction here, but so far the Q is still under VWAP. And watch Apple at 188. 188 is the level that Apple needs to break so it can go higher. This is the 15-minute time frame. See, Apple needs to break this level here. We'll say yeah, 188, 188.40. And snow, I want to see it holding. For snow, I want to see it holding what it is right now. 215, 215, yeah, 215, above 215. It was resistance yesterday, and so far it's acting as support. If the Q rejects here, VWAP, that's another entry to the downside, but SPY keeps going higher. What's holding SPY higher? Maybe banks or health? No, that's, yeah. Oh, it's financials. Yeah, it's financials. Ooh, I like these. Okay. Okay. I posted a new play for the small account on the Discord. If I see the cube breaking VWAP, I'm getting out. So yeah, I got a new play post. Okay, I'm getting out because I see. Wait. Let me see. It's still rejecting VWAP, but I'm getting out. I'm locking all my profit because Apple is breaking 188. So Apple is looking nice for our swings. I got a new swing for the small account. And And I just got UPS 145 calls for 322. So it's like 2 months out. No, no, 1 month out. A month and a half. That's a long-term hold. My stop loss is gonna be under yesterday's low, which is around 139. I'm looking to play the gap fill on UPS. That's why I got it for the end of next month. Dang it! The queue. Okay. Um. Okay, that's that. We have apple and snow swings. Come on, snow. Just hold and go. Hold here. Tesla exploding. That's awesome. Maybe it's oversold, Tesla. I think the Tesla sell-off is a overreaction of everything. And I hate that Tesla move with everything that's going around Elon, which it shouldn't. Dang it. Obviously, it didn't have like the best earnings, but still. Microsoft again rejecting 408. 408, 407. Spy looks like it wants to go. I want to see her breaking yesterday high. If can break yesterday high and use it as support, that's my entry to play the upside. If I want to play the upside, I'm gonna go with Spy because it's definitely stronger than the Q, but needs to break yesterday high. Yeah, yesterday high, that's the level. Basically, it's this level here. Oh, fill the gap and it's rejecting. Okay, okay. That's an ugly reaction. If SPY is gonna go lower, excuse me, the Q is gonna die. Whoa. This 30-minute candle on SPY looks ugly. Yeah, for the small account, I took 145, I took one. On my account, I took another one. I don't see any problem with that. The small account is one thing, and my account or my trades are different. The small account is one thing, and my own trades is different. So whenever I post on the small account, that's only the small account. If I say I'm taking something and it's not posted on the small account, it means I'm taking it with my on my like my main account. What's Meta doing? Oof. If Meta loses 459, it has a huge gap down. Big gap. And it's looking pretty bearish, Meta. Google, sorry, Apple is trying. And same with Google. Google is above 145.60, but is weakened yesterday high, which is the rejection that we got yesterday when we were playing Google. So I think to play this Google gap, I want to see some at least 1 day consolidation inside the gap, so we don't get fake out again. just like yesterday. Yeah, because it's inside the gap, but it has a lot of wicks at the top, which is bearish. And look, it's rejecting again. Same level as yesterday. 146.50. I'm waiting to see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close on SPY. It closes like that with a long wick at the top, showing clear rejection. I'm gonna play the downside again, but it still has over 3 minutes. Maybe it's gonna be too late, but whatever. This no rejection is ugly. Kind of feeling FOMO here that I didn't hold my last runner. But it's too late to enter unless I see a bounce here. Microsoft, it's very weak again. So, how you guys doing so far? Ooh. Any good plays besides the short on the Q? I think that was the easiest and most perfect setup today, at least so far in the morning. Yeah, the 430 rejection was perfect. Meta? Snow? Nice. Love from India? Thank you. Thank you for the love. Remember to click like on the video. Like. Baba? When is Baba's earnings? I think it's like in 2 days, maybe, or tomorrow. Nice. Yellen speaking at 10? Oh no. 1 minute for that. Thank you, George. Thank you. Oh no. Yellen speaking at 10? That's no bueno. For how long is she gonna talk? I'm so tired of having to like know the entire schedule for data and Fed speakers and all that. I just want to trade. Just let me trade. No idea. I don't check Palantir. But yeah, I think they have earnings this week. I don't know when. Thanks. But we have a bunch of Fed speaking this week, right? So the if we have a bunch of stuff going on this week, the market is gonna keep moving between like this on this range, like just like yesterday, right here. This morning, yeah. Google again rejecting the semi level is looking bearish. Fed speaking at 12 and 2 p.m. today. Thank you, George. Dang it, look how much I missed. I missed like 5K. Methods in the gap? What? For real? Not yet. It's not in the gap yet. Not yet. Need to lose this low. This the day after earnings. It's around 451. That's not the gap yet. But it looks like it's about to. That's the level that you want to see it like breaking, retesting. So you don't want to get fake out just like Google. Google keeps faking you out here. Keeps going inside the gap and then keeps rejecting. Unless today really hold, which kind of looks like it wants to. It's trying at least. It's trying. But because I don't want to get fake out again, I want to wait until at least one green candle, one daily green candle inside the gap. So I want to see at least a small hammer inside the gap. A candle at least like this one inside the gap, or like this one. This one will be perfect on a daily closing like that inside the gap. That will be my go-to to trade the upside the next day. Mm. No, all my UPS trades are for the end of next month. It's a long-term swing, so I'm not gonna even look at UPS. Thoughts about it? Like, what do you see? Do you have any green candlesticks? No. Mm-hmm. Oh, what? I completely forgot about CRM. Ooh, and I love this new indicator. Who was the one that told me about this level indicator? It's so good. I really like it. I like that it's giving me like my levels are the same levels that indicator are giving me. What I don't love is it's my chart. I like my charts very clean. And with that indicator, I have a bunch of lines and colors, but it works perfectly. CRM is right at support. If you hold here, it could be a good, yeah. Microsoft is just dead. Why is Microsoft so weak? It's a trading view indicator. Um, I don't remember the name, but this is the owner. So this is the guy who made it. It's the volume indicator that he made. That's that's his link. So oh, it's this one. This one. I think it's this one. Yeah. Yeah, because it's open and it's free. Yeah. It's this one. It's pretty good. Okay, so NQ is about to be at support. 17,592. 592. That's support from yesterday. Yeah, I did open and closed. We gotta thank whoever talked about this indicator yesterday. I don't remember who was, but it works very, very good. I think I need to change a little bit. You can change the time frames in the colors and everything, but it's very, very good. So if you're having trouble using plotting your levels, this is free and it works. But I think you still need to put your levels because it could get a little bit confusing with so many lines and levels, but at least you can see it like it's like it tells you like this is the 30 minutes, so now you know the greens are the 30-minute levels. You have another one here, 30 minutes, but it's resistance, so it's darker. You have the 4 hour. It says here, um 4 hour here also. But yeah, I have one level here, this white line, and it's right at support with this indicator level, which is the 4 hour. And look, the 30-minute looks perfect here, here, here. If I change it to 15, it's gonna change to give you one. Yeah, shows 15-minute support, resistance, 4 hour. It looks like it's always showing you 4 hours on the bigger time frames. The only thing that I see is like when I use the daily, um looks like it doesn't work on the daily, or maybe I need to change it because it's only showing me the biggest one is 4 hour. Maybe I need to change that. I could, yeah. But yeah, pretty clean. So yeah, the Q looks like it's about to hit yesterday's low, or NQ. And look, Apple. Apple is very resilient. Just doesn't want to go lower. which I like it. I don't want to see Apple going lower because we're holding Apple swings. I have two positions on Apple, so I want to see Apple uh, going higher. Okay, I need a little bit more coffee, so I'll be back in like 1 minute. Okay. I'll be careful with puts here because Apple is holding very, very good support. Never went lower, and it looks like it's the one to go. So I'll be careful here. I know it's still under the VWAP and everything, but yeah. Hmm. Yeah, let me call Apex and tell them that to go to 90% off with the 90% off because you want to buy it. Okay, so now it's Apple is under VWAP, which is pretty bearish. Um, that's gonna drag the market even lower if Apple really lose this level here. What's SP? I don't know what's SP. Okay, I need more likes, guys. It's over 150 people here and only like 60 likes. What's that? What is that? I mean, this is free. Just rewind. I already talked about the indicator like a bunch of times. I show you guys the name. I pass you the link. Rewind. Indian people's also watching. Hi. I want to see Indian people also liking the video. Amazon moving to the gap. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's not near the start of the gap, so no. I'm gonna go long here on Q. Let's see if we can play a bounce here. This is the same level that it bounced hard yesterday. Let's see if it's gonna here. This level here. Let's see if it's gonna work out again. No idea. I don't know if you need premium account. Don't know. Okay, I like that. I like that. My PT is gonna be this line here, this resistance. We need Apple to hold here and go higher. It looks kind of like it's flagging. We can say, where is it? Kind of flagging here, maybe. Yeah, maybe goes to a VWAP, but like I said, we want to see Apple holding here. If we see Apple holding here, so my thinking on this trade, it's exactly what I was looking yesterday on. I think it was a SPY that I was looking to play the upside around 192 level and it faked me out, but at the end after the stream I got an alert and I got in again at the same level and it played out perfectly. So it was this level went higher, right? So it's the same thing. And at that time, Apple was holding too. And after I saw Apple holding and later breakout, that's obviously gonna help the Q and SPY going higher. So what I'm that's what I'm thinking and looking for on this trade. I'm looking for the Q to hold this level just like yesterday, exactly same level, and then with Apple consolidating on a flag, looking for Apple to break out here, just like yesterday, and giving me a bounce, like helping me with this bounce. My main PT is gonna be this resistance here. But yeah, you can definitely use the VWAP on the Q. See, look, Apple. Yeah, no problem. So looking great, looking good. We're doing good. Yeah, hit that like and subscribe. Last week I hit 2K, over 2K subs. My PT for this year, my target for I want to get to at least 5, 7K subs. And for that, I think I'm gonna have to come here on Fridays. Mm. But most likely, I'm only gonna try futures on Fridays. Okay, so SPY, it's a VWAP. The Q is having trouble here. Apple is rejecting again. Let's see if it's gonna hold or not. I don't like Friday's idea. I want to have a free. I want to keep doing my thing on Fridays, but yeah, I'll think about it. Mm, mm, I'll check all these out because I can't see. Okay, if Apple doesn't hold this support, I'm getting out. Let's see how yes, it's looking. Mm. Yeah, ES needs to break here. Me- I want to change the name of this indicator because it's too long. Okay, let me take it out. Okay, I don't like that. MQ. I don't know what's SP. Why you keep talking about SP? I don't know what's SP. Yeah, YouTube Shorts will help me. I'm just lazy. I need to figure it out how to do that. Mm. Why are you asking me that? Like, don't you see what I'm trading? Y or X? I don't smoke. I hate everything that smells. My only habit is chewing gum all day, every day. Too much. I. Hmm. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, yeah, I need to figure it out that. I was also thinking on creating a bot for my swing trades because my swing trades are very easy to follow. Like it's the steps to swing trade, the steps that I do to swing trade are like very easy to follow. I think people are not don't use it or are not profitable with that strategy because their emotions. So I think with putting all my steps and my setups on a bot, I don't think that's hard. And I think the bot will make so much money and I will retire. But I like trading. But I don't think I would even need I wouldn't trade I wouldn't need to trade at all. So I'm gonna look into that. Mm, mm, mm. I got one more. I like how it's holding NQ is holding near that base. Could easily go lower here. because yesterday's low on NQ is around here. Could easily go there, and if it goes there, I'm gonna add more. But I like how it's basing here. The um Apple is just consolidating on a flag. I think we're gonna have a boom boom on Apple. If I made the vote, the stream will be just me looking at the charts and doing nothing. It will be so boring. Even even not only for swing, even for like day trading. Ooh, day trading with Apex. Buying at daily support, selling at daily resistance, and that's it. Giving it a few points of stop loss. Yeah, for sure, George. For sure. And using this indicator plus the bot, it's just like set it and forget it. No. Just hold here, Apple. Hold. Hold. Okay. I'm getting ready to get out of this one if Apple cannot hold here. Bounce, 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 bounce. No, SPY is looking bearish. Okay. Okay, I like that. Yeah, it looks like the market found a support. It's now changing direction. Let's see what Microsoft is doing. Microsoft is still kind of finding support, but it's dead. What's Meta doing? It's holding 454. That's a key level for Meta. 454 because that's the start under that level. Under 453 is the start of the big gap. This is the earnings gap. So if Meta cannot hold 453, ooh, you have this huge gap here. Hi, hola. No, Apple. No. The Q is holding. Apple is going lower, but the Q is holding. And SPY too. Don't ask me something that you can clearly see on the screen. Mm -mm 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 -mm. Apple daily right now looks ugly, looks pretty bearish, but it's too early to know how the daily candle is gonna go. But I like how the Q and SPY are holding here. Needs to break this resistance here, the Q. This resistance here. The 70s, 69. Oh, but FTX doing. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. I've been trading, I think, for 7 years, maybe 6.5. I will say 7. And it took me 2 years to not lose, and then maybe 6 months or 1 year to make money, to start to make money. So basically 2 years and a half or 3 years. But it took me forever because I didn't have a mentor. I was learning by myself, by trying and error. Now, if you just take a mentor, it will take you like 6 months. Get a mentor and obviously do whatever the mentor is telling you to do if you know that mentor is a good trader. But sometimes maybe your personality or your style of trading won't work with wait, give me 1 second. Yeah, you gotta figure out what's the best trading style for you. So not just follow people blindly. Because I don't give, the only course that I have is free and the link is on the description. And if you read the announcements tab on my Discord, you can see it there also. That's the only course that I have. It's a free, small, straight to the point course that I explain how I hold my winners, how I'm able to get 100% or even higher return per contract on holding options. This is taking forever, but the market is still holding. Yeah, so we're here. It's not even near my stop loss. So practice is patience. Okay, go Apple, go. Go Apple, go. Come on, just break out. Breakout already. You're taking forever to do something. Give me the boom boom. Yeah. Um, I think for me it's key to not really pay attention to the PNL. Obviously, you guys see the PNL here on futures because I do it only for the stream, but with options, I don't have it on my screen at all. I only look the charts. But when I trade by myself futures, I don't have the PNL on my screen. That's why sometimes you see me posting green big wins um after the stream because that's when I'm not looking the PNL, so it's easier for me to hold longer. But if we just follow the plan and respect it, um like right now, right? So I explain you guys why I'm taking this trade and what's my stop loss. So if it's not near my stop loss or under, most likely under my stop loss, I'm just gonna hold. The market's doing nothing right now. It's just holding or consolidating. Could it keep going lower? Yeah, for sure. Spies on both the SPY and the Q are still under VWAP, which is bearish. Because I don't manage risk based on my P&L. The risk it's managed with levels, not with percentage of winning or losing. It's levels. So what's your stop loss? Your stop loss should be the level where your trade is not longer valid, not how much you're losing or winning. Mm, yeah, consolidation could go either way. Just I'm trading based on history. This is exactly what happened yesterday. It's exactly the same play. It just yesterday I got stop out only to go according to my plan. That's why I didn't got out of this trade with Apple going lower because the Q was holding. Yeah. Yeah, I always see people asking, what's my percentage for stop losses, or if it is, I don't know, $100 and it's your stop loss is your level. Like, it's not even the level, it's like when your trade is not longer valid. Obviously, if you have a bad entry, your stop loss, it's gonna be too wide, and it's gonna make you more nervous. Most likely, it's gonna fake you out. And if you're looking the PNL, if try to retest the level that it should, where you should be entering, most likely you're gonna get a stop out because your stop loss is too wide because you had a bad entry. Come on, Apple, just boom boom. Give me the boom boom, Apple. Also watching the bigger time frames. Like on the 5 minutes here, SPY was looking bearish, but if I look at 15, not really. And if I look at 30, not really also. With the Q, let's see how the Q, but on the daily is holding my support. And the same with NQ. Like, this is why you guys know why I took this trade. It was yesterday's low on NQ. So if it's not losing that level, it's bullish for me. Like, it's not like it's not letting it's bullish. It's, for me, it's like it's gonna try to bounce at least or change direction. I'm playing futures. I don't have contracts. I'm not trading here options. I'm trading futures. Um SPY, I want to see a break in VWAP. Definitely it's SPY. I should have gone with SPY or ES instead of NQ because ES is stronger today than the Q, but because I like the level that I was looking on NQ, that's why I took NQ, because for me it was just easier to look where to enter, what to hold, and when to get out. And also because I'm using Apple, so it's easier for me to look to play NQ. Yeah, Apple, but not today. I entered Apple yesterday and I think on Monday too. Well, yesterday was, yeah, yesterday. It was yesterday? Don't even yesterday. Oh, I got Apple yesterday and Friday, right? Yeah, on the second. No, it was Friday? On the second. On the second. I got, yeah, Friday. Friday and yesterday. Yeah. Okay, give me the break of VWAP SPY. Come on, Apple. Let's go. Anybody got in Apple calls? Apple's flag is so clean. Okay, I'm gonna use the indicator here to see what was my PT. Okay, yeah. We're looking good. You're playing the gap on IWM? We want to see Apple breaking this high here. Today's high. I think can go and retest yesterday high above 189. But ES has a lot of resistance here. A lot. Yeah, I watch well, mm, I don't consider ES or NQ. I only doing this today. I play based on the spy and the Q, and to play anything, I watch both spy and the Q and QQQ. Yeah, ES has a lot of resistance there. Which could be doing a bear flag. We could be doing a bear flag. It's 493 on the Q. It's exactly the same level. It's rejecting there. This is starting to get boring here. It's 416. Yeah, more likes, more likes. I'm hungry. Come on, just do something. I'm hungry. Oh, most likely today is just gonna be like yesterday, a choppy day inside candle. It looks very much like yesterday, but in a smaller range. Excuse me. No, because I'm not a big fan of eating meat if it's not on the barbecue. I love eating steak in the barbecue, but if it's not on the barbecue, I don't like it. I'm more like a pescatarian. I like more like everything that comes from the ocean. Come on, Apple, just move. Oh, I'm sorry, yeah. So I always look Apple because I can anticipate SPY and the Q move based on Apple. Apple is I think it's the second biggest holding on SPY and the Q. So if Apple is moving higher, that's gonna help the market just like right now. The market is moving higher because of Apple. Yeah, I was muted. See? See, Apple needs to break this high here. If it breaks this high, it's gonna boom boom to yesterday high. And we wanna see SPY holding VWAP about support. But keeps rejecting. Come on, SPY, hold here. We have a rejection point here on Apple. We wanna see her breaking that level. And Microsoft keeps going lower. Yeah. Go Apple, go. Oh, watch video if you can feel the gap lower. Has like it has like a $10 gap. Go Apple, go. Anybody trading Apple? That was an easy trade there. Mm. Snow is holding pretty good also. Come on, give me the push. Give me the push to resistance. Give me the pushy. Yeah, but lately the market's been moving weird. Like in the morning, we have one move, like one big move when the market opened, the, and then we have kind of slower move, and then around 12 or around 1 starts moving a lot, which is weird. Go Spy, go. Go Spy, go. Go Apple. Go. Give me more. Give me more. Give me 181, 189, 189. Give me 189. Okay, so SPY is looking pretty good, pretty bullish. We have 493.50 is gonna be a little resistance there. Hopefully, it can break it. How long I've been holding this trade? Let's see. 1 hour. I think 1 hour. UPS is already like 20% up. Yeah, I have faith in UPS. I'm Venezuelan. Come on, hurry. I need to pee. Go. Arepas con perico? That's yeah. I'm hungry now. I'm gonna make some arepas. US. I live in US. Let's go, Apple. Move everything. Give me a little more. More. Yeah, Florida. Mm-hmm. I I lived in Illinois for 1 year. I hate it. I don't like cold weather. Um, I lived in LA also for 1 year. I did like it, but I like more Florida. Let's go. Yeah, Miami. Is it hot in summer? In summer, you're gonna melt. The minute you step out of your car or your house, you're like melting. Yeah, 305. It's extremely humid, like too much. It's horrible. And if you go to the beach in summer, it's like swimming in coffee, in hot coffee. I think I'm going to New York next month. I'm thinking on going there for a few days, maybe for the weekend. Okay, so now we want to see Apple holding this level, and we have a very strong level of resistance right here. Those are the two levels to watch on Apple. What it is right now. Ooh, I don't like it. I like the cold weather only if I'm on vacation, like for a few days. Korea. I want to visit Korea so bad and eat a lot of lots and lots of kimchi. What's combined? Nice. Is she gonna get any surgery? Korea is famous for their surgeries, plastic surgeries. Famous food in Venezuela, arepas. Arepas and cachapas also. Everyone love Venezuelan cachapas. Just to eat. Korea, Korean barbecue is so good. Ooh, okay, wait. Spies again under VWAP. This price action is getting super boring. I'm tired of being sitting here watching this. I think I'm gonna get out. Even though I still think we can keep going a little bit higher, but this is. Mm, 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 mm. I'm hungry. I'm happy with my 3K day. Yeah, Colonia Tovar in Venezuela, it's a German town. Ooh, bibimbap. Yeah, I love bibimbap. Tteokbokki, also I like tteokbokki. I think it's called tteokbokki. Not in person, no. Unless you pay me like 50K, but no. Am I 20? I'm way over 20. No, I only speak Spanish, English, and Italian. I like that reaction on Spy. That long week, we want to see it like holding VWAP and INEMA going higher. Just go. Go. Yeah, I do mentor. You guys have the link on my Discord. And if you go to my Discord, there is a section that says mentoring program. Um, yeah. So go to the mentoring program section on my Discord. You have the link below and you have the entire info here. Please don't DM me if you haven't read this. I have so many people DMing me, asking me everything that it's in here. So do not DM me if you have not read this. I don't speak Portuguese, but if you speak Spanish and Italian, you definitely understand Portuguese. But honestly, there's no reason to learn Portuguese. Unless you want to live in Brazil. Russian. So are you a spy? You can speak Russian and English. Are you a spy? I can see spy going to 491.50. And the NQ going to 592 to the 92. It looks like it wants to go lower, but I don't know. Well, now it's under 3K. But you can see it here. You see it here. It's right here. Right here. Right here. Come on, Apple, just go spy. I want you to hold. The Q, you need to move. Apple just so bullish. It's entering a strong resistance. If Apple rejects hard this resistance again, just like yesterday, the market is definitely gonna melt down and retest yesterday's low. Like, why my charts aren't doing that? What's going on with TradingView? Okay, so Microsoft is starting to hold, which is good, and it's gonna help us, hopefully. If we have Microsoft and Apple bouncing, that's gonna move the market. Or not. Watch the NQ retesting this level again. Okay, so Microsoft just had a very weird candle. What was that? Oh, Fed speaker in 2 minutes? I wanna see it holding here. Yeah, if it is moving just because it's waiting for a Fed speaking, it's gonna bounce. Like, I don't like closing trades just because it's moving based on a possible news or with like, yeah, when it's not like a technical move. UPS flying? See? I'm not even looking UPS. I want to see a bounce here. Or at least holding there. If you're, just rewind. So many indicators. You're only looking two indicators, the VWAP and INEMA, and then levels. And forget about indicators. Indicators are not gonna make or break your trading. Indicators have nothing to do with trading. Damn, I gave all back. That's awesome, DT. Yeah, that's true. Risk management over everything. So, uh, QQQ, it's on their morning low, but also NQ, but this is the level that NQ needs to hold. That's the same level that held yesterday and it gave us a strong bounce. So that's what I'm looking for today. But anything can happen. We have Fed speaking. Nope. I don't use hard stop losses. Only mental. Wait, 1 second here. It's Apex. I'm using Apex. I use Apex. No, this is a PA. It's not an evaluation, it's a PA. Come on, hold here. Give me a push. So evaluation accounts are one thing, PAs are the real ones. After you pass the evaluation accounts, you get a PA, which is the one that you use to make money. Apple and Microsoft are holding very, very good, which and NQ is right at the level that it should be holding. So let's see, this is McDonald's or Ferrari. I either die here or make a lot of money. It looks like today is gonna be McDonald's. Come on, give me the push push. Damn, UPS. UPS is flying. Nice. Nice. I think it has so much room to go, but it's gonna take time. I said it like 1,000 times. It's very, very cheap. Very, very cheap. Paying even $200 on an evaluation account is extremely cheap. You lose more money daily on trading options, playing with options. Mm. Okay, stop loss. It's gonna about to hit. Let's see. I think Microsoft is about to die, and that's gonna definitely drag the market lower. That's my stop loss on trading. Oh, yeah, this is 12. Okay, bye. 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 I'm turning a very, very good day on a stupid day. But that's trading. Bro, if you're gonna bounce here, I hate you. Okay, I have to try it again. Last one. Bye. That's it. That's it. No. Watch it going. Like, I can see it like bouncing here, but I'm done. No. Okay, so I'm holding UPS forever. If it's not even near my stop loss, it's looking beautiful. It's looking fantastic. Holding UPS. Holding Apple because Apple is looking great also. Apple is looking great. Nothing to sell here. Needs to break yesterday high. Trading is not for me. Ooh, okay. I didn't know. Thank you. I think this stream is not for you. Bye. What else? Snow. Snow is done so. So there's nothing to do there. Snow, look the level. Needs to hold this level here. 210. Yeah, this level here. Yeah, this indicator is awesome. It's awesome. So yeah, guys. I'm gonna try to turn these around in the afternoon, but right now it's already 12 and I'm hungry and I need to do a bunch of stuff. So thank you for being here. Thank you for the likes. See you guys mañana.